I kind of figured that was going to happen, so I've ordered some more of these sliders. Alright everyone, exciting day for me, at least for me anyways. I don't know if you guys will care or anything, but the storage cover gets to come off today. It's the first nice day we've had in 6 months. Sun is finally out, hasn't been out for a bit of 2 weeks, and it kept snowing and snowing and snowing. We still got a ton of snow, but at least it's warmer and melting. I think it's about plus 10 right now, so we're going to take this tarp off, put the camper top on, which will be, I'll be able to work on it at least anyways. That'll be nice, even if it rains, providing it's waterproof. I haven't seen it on, so it's kind of going to be the same as you seeing it for the first time. I'll be seeing it for the first time, so hopefully it's good. Now I'm just guessing which way this goes. I don't know if it leans back or forward or what. Somehow I'm thinking it leans the other way. I don't know. I don't know if that's right or wrong. I think it's wrong. I'll have to look at the photograph. According to the photograph I have, this is the right way, right configuration with the short thing on the stern, so it's not that tall. I thought it would be taller, but oh well. It'll only be used when it's raining or whatever. Supposedly that's the way it goes. I'll put the top on and see how it looks. It's starting to look pretty good. I don't think it's going to be as high as I thought it was on the interior, so we'll have to make do with it. That's mostly how she'll run right there anyways. Now we'll see how this one fits. Yeah, figure those were gonna go. Shit. I kind of figured that was gonna happen, so I've ordered some more of these slides. This is old plastic, it's all gray, and all these are the same. Yeah, I kind of figured those plastic slide pieces were a little weak, a little old. Then we get to see if she's waterproof. That's the next thing. I did buy some waterproofing, so in case I need it. I'll go get the side windows now. Now we'll see how good the isinglass is what they call it. That's the stern. These side windows also have a screen on them, so you can open the isinglass and get some fresh air. And what are we doing here? Well, that can't be it either. Maybe it is the other one. Like a jigsaw puzzle. Hopefully you don't have it upside down, eh? That's a little better. Oh, these are the little, it's for the hatch, for the front hatch cover. I'll have to snap those from the outside. Now we'll put the other sides on and see how she looks. There's a look from the inside with the camper top on. Still got to snap her down. We'll go on the outside. There, topper's all on, camper top. Looks not too bad. Got to fix a couple of those slides. I got some stainless steel ones so they don't break. Now, supposedly, if I can find the zipper. I don't want to crinkle that too bad. Now it's just bug screen. I'm letting some air through here now. Nice. Getting her all muddy. Oh well, I gotta clean her up.